and the secretary will tell us what's happening in St. Andrew North Central and Clarendon Central. And your colleague over there is in Manchester North.
No. Clarendon Central, represented by Mr. Mike Henry, Mr. Mike Henry OJ, and St. Andrew North West, North Central, represented by Member of Parliament Karl Samuda, also another of the longest serving member in Parliament. Both Mr. and Mike are sharing the tape together. Both will not contest in the next election, and the selection process will chip in at some point before. Both consciences are strong, both are stable, have effective organization, so we don't have a challenge in identifying the flag bearer at any point in time. In the case of Northeast Manchester, there are some contests which reflects the energy in the constituency. But as I said, we are currently going to general conference with a focus on carrying out a successful conference to ensure our message will resonate across the country. And we will then look quickly at how we settle the leadership for all the constituencies as we go into the new year.